Hi, I'm Aviva from Elementor. In this video, I'll walk you through how to install Elementor. It's easy to create a new WordPress website with Elementor, or to install Elementor on your existing WordPress website. We'll begin at the elementor.com website. Click the Get Started button. If you already have an Elementor account, you can log in here. If you don't have an account, you can easily create one by entering your email address and password. Then click Create Account. Now you'll be prompted with the question, do you have a WordPress website? If you don't already have a WordPress website, click the Continue button in the No I Don't panel. You'll now have an opportunity to choose one of our recommended hosting providers. Click More Info to learn more about each host, or click the Continue button to sign up with one of the hosts. This will take you to the host's special Elementor landing page, where you can sign up for a hosting plan that's right for you. Once you complete the hosting sign-up process and follow all their steps, you will discover that Elementor has already been installed for you. Convenient! You can start creating your site right away. If you do already have a WordPress website, click the Continue button in the Yes, I Sure Do panel. Next, enter your full website URL, and then click the Check for WordPress button. If you're not sure if you have WordPress, no worries. Go ahead and type in your URL and we'll check for you. If it turns out that you don't have WordPress, you'll see a link to go to the hosting recommendations site. Now click the Click to Install button to log into your site. A page with Elementor's details will appear once you're logged in. If you're already logged in to your WordPress dashboard and have not come directly from the Elementor website, you can search for Elementor in the WordPress plugin repository. From the WordPress menu, click Plugins, Add New, and type Elementor in the search field. Next, click the Install Now button. Once installed, click to activate the plugin. Here, you'll see a Welcome to Elementor screen and a Getting Started video to help you learn how to start using Elementor on your website. After you've watched the video, click Create Your First Page to start building your website with Elementor. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos and tutorials to guide you through your website journey. And thanks for installing Elementor.